Hey guys, it's Thick and Curly. I kind of have a new style. You guys see me? Kind of have a new style that I wanted to show you. Oh, I have new color. Can you see? It's really blonde there. If you pull it back, and then it's kind of like a brown here. My new style is a twist style, and it was an accident style, of course. It's a twist style, but it's on recycled curls. So versus when you do a normal twist out, it's a little bit more limp or straight, versus this is kind of full. It's a little bit more full, and I like it. And also the spiral, if you can see it, is very pretty. And this is versatile. Sorry guys, had to get my handy dandy. I use these now because my hair is different, but I still have black ones. These are knee high. They're really good on natural hair. I can do so much with this, of course. Bring it up. Boom. I can take it all back to a poof. Oh, that's one. Bring it to a poof. It's just like having your curls out, but again, the definition is a little bit better. Gel this down. Pin it. I could do a flower. I could do a lot with it, but I'm gonna actually really quick show you guys how I did this. Okay, so if you go to my defining my natural curl pattern video, the clear ice gel is what I use. So I had some recycled curls, meaning I had done the clear ice gel maybe the day before that. So I woke up that morning or that night or whenever I did it, I said, okay, what can I do? So I got some water, just a little bit of water. You can use your spray bottle, but I want it a little bit more damp than what a spray bottle is going to do. Got some water. So got it wet. Then I use this. This is Garnier Soft Curl Cream. I really like it for twist out. Got a little bit, and I put it on that piece. And I simply am doing a twist. I slept in it overnight, and you want it to remain slightly damp. So, with my hair being thick, it holds water. So I slept without feeling like my head was wet. But when I woke up this morning, my curls were slightly damp, if that makes sense. But that's how you want it, slightly damp. And I just twisted it. And again, it's a little bit different from a normal twist out. The curls are more like, it gives you more of a spiral. If you guys can see that. It's more of like a spiral look. And it's fuller versus dropping here. It's a little bit fuller. So again, I use the clear ice gel. I would show you guys the clear ice gel, but you're balancing on it right now in my big huge container. And then I use Garnier Fructis Soft Curl Cream. Again, go to my Defining My Natural Curls pattern video. It was those curls revitalized with water, and then I added this and twisted it. That's all. I like it. How's everybody doing? I haven't seen you guys in a long time. Everything's good here on my end. Again, watch my other videos. If you have any questions, a lot of questions that you guys might ask are answered on the other videos. If there's anything you want me to post, pictures, anything you want, just let me know. What else is going on? Nothing else. I've just learned about Thank God I'm Natural, the book, and became a friend on Facebook. So I'm really excited about reading that and just learning some more about being natural. Me and some of my friends were talking about being natural, and she was saying, she was joking with one friend saying, you know, natural is just mean not putting chemicals in your hair. And I was like, oh, well, I put chemicals in mine. I do dye my hair. And I've had the debate before, just hanging in the middle. I've had the debate before whether that may be natural or if I wasn't natural anymore. I feel that I'm natural because I am not altering the texture of my hair, as well as the dye is not as harmful on my hair as getting a relaxer every 4, 6, 8 weeks. But she said something that really made sense, and she said, you know, half of being natural is a state of mind. I was like, wow. And it's so right. A lot of what we go through as being natural is a ridicule. We go through days where we love it and it's great, and nobody can tell us anything, but we had to deal with a lot of ridicule. So it just made me think it's a state of mind, and being natural is about just invigorating yourself and just being who you want to be and not being who society thinks you should be. With your thick naps, curls, just texture. Whether you color it or not, that's my opinion. That's my opinion. Some people may say I am no longer natural. I could care less, but my opinion is I'm still natural, just lavishly blonde. Love you guys. Peace and blessings. Thick and curly.